I apologize in advance if you don't understand soccer at all. This is going to be all about soccer. So the problem that I was trying to solve is normally if you're watching a broadcast of a soccer match on television, they'll come up with a team sheet right at the beginning. It'll have 11 players on it, typically in some kind of formation. You might be familiar with 4-4-2 or 4-2-3-1. But it doesn't really give you any information beyond that. Players that play in the same position can do wildly different things. So what I wanted to do was create a little bit more of an in-depth team sheet with players' positions, roles, how they've played in the past 5 competitive matches, heat maps, all that kind of stuff. So I threw together a little web app. This currently has the England-Panama game that's ongoing right now. Sadly, it is a very uninteresting match. There's been no goals, basically no stats of any kind other than 1 yellow card, so it doesn't really show a whole lot right now. Yeah, just kind of a proof of concept of a little personal problem or that I want to solve.
Are you going to keep building it?
Yeah.